Hello everyone, I'm Eleonora and today I'm going to show you one of our studio apartments. Go with me. This type of apartment is perfect for a couple. It's an open space apartment. Here you can see the kitchen with 2-burner induction hob, microwave, kettle, American coffee machine, toaster and everything that you need in the kitchen. Here there is this beautiful table where you can enjoy a nice dinner with your partner. And here we have these 2 comfortable armchairs. Behind me you can see a double bed. In our apartment you can always find bed sheets, towels and also beach towels. Moving on, we have this bathroom with bathroom fixture and a wide walk-in shower. And at the end, we have this beautiful veranda. Here, you can enjoy a coffee in the morning or a glass of wine with your partner. I'm waiting for you at Residence La Rosa. Come and discover it with your own eyes. Bye!